There's also a little bit about locking selection. So let's just say we have this selected. We go to Object, Lock, Selection, right? That way, if we do a marquee box around this, you see we can move everything like that. And then we can do Object, Unlock All, and then this can be moved. So if we actually look in the layers, we can sort of see how that's working, right? So what I could do is lock these two, unlock that one, and that way I can select here, and I can make sure I can actually select this thing because I actually want to use it for something else now. Kind of interesting, like when you're doing stuff like this, like what you get in the alignment guides. But I'm not too worried about that for now. So we have these four circles, right? 4 ellipses. We'll just move that. And they're all going to have the same outline color, aren't they? Because they're in the same layer. With the selection tool, click to select one of these objects. This is actually slightly different from, but it doesn't matter. And then we do select, and this is a different way to select. We go select, and we go same, and we're going to go fill and stroke. So you can see there's actually a bunch of different options here. And that way it's actually selected this one as well. It wasn't really what I wanted, so maybe what we should have done is just made sure that we change the fill to something different. Let's just do this one for now. So this way we just select one, we'll go select same, fill and stroke, and then all the 4 are selected. And this is useful because there's even more functionality in this section, which is if we go to select, save selection, call it snooker. It looks, well, you know what? I'll call it, it's actually pretty closer to this, isn't it? Bays. So we call it bays, right? And then what that means, right? Let's say we're just doing something else, we're working on a different thing. We go to select, and you see bays now appears right there, and we've got it selected again. All right, so say we're in the situation where we've got the bays there actually obscuring the joystick behind, right? So we could use what we just did, which was select the bays, and then we go to Object, and then Hide Selection.